Now it's fully charged and the capacity is 1500. It's not 2000 milliamp, even though in this charger also. $1,400. After the capacity test, 1500. So the 2000 milliamp it's totally lie, and also it's not a high drain battery. So my next plan is just to replace this battery, because this is a high drain battery. It can run my original Makita. I also do capacity test for these two batteries to prove that this is 2000 milliamp. Because all of this is fully charged. Whole grain. My next tips is to isolate the positive side to avoid shorting the positive and the negative. The body is the negative and this one is positive. The plastic can easily scratch or tear down, so it is better to isolate using isolator paper for battery. After the capacity test, the result is 2150 milliamp. It's done installing the BMS. After that, I need to check the voltage. It's the positive. $20. $20, it's good. It's done. This is the Makita that I tried before, I think 2 months ago, and this battery can't run. This sort of battery, green one, it came from inside this battery, and I replaced a battery that ideally for power tools. It's a hydrogen battery. How it's run. Before it didn't, now it's running. Thanks to it. So this fake battery is only a normal battery, a normal drain, not a high drain, and it is 1500 milliamp. So guys, if you have any questions in regards to this project today, can you please comment to the comment section box, and if you like, can you please share to your friend and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. See you to my next video.